In this video, we're going to learn how to divide fractions into whole numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says use the strip model to help find 1 divided by 1/5. So we could see the strip model here. This is a whole, and this is the same whole divided into fifths. So we need to understand what the question is asking. And what it's asking is, with the help of the model, we can see that we need to find how many times 1/5 fits into 1. So how many times does 1/5 fit into 1? That's the same as saying 1 divided by 1/5. So we can see that 5 of the 1/5 fraction pieces make up one whole. There's 5 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 divided by 1/5 equals 5. So that's how many 1/5ths fit into 1. 5 of them fit. And that's the introduction to dividing by fractions. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. I have links in the description that you could look at for some extra help. As well, there's no issue with rewatching the video again. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You might be just one explanation away from understanding it. As well, you can also download the ebook and follow along this lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.